Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to disable two-step verification in Best Buy. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing I'd like you to know is that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Now Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to disable two-step verification. Now from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this Hi Amanda, recently viewed, other status and saved items. So click on Hi Amanda and it's going to take you to this extended menu that says account, purchases, products, payments methods, plan and subscriptions, member offers, total tech support, free in-home consultation and account settings. So go ahead and click on account settings and it's going to take you to the account settings window. So here you have three categories: your info that has addresses, payment methods, phone number, down to change account name. You have account security that has email addresses, down to passkey, and you have connections. So under account security, you're going to find this change your password and set up two-step verification. Click on set up two-step verification. So if you have set up the two-step verification using text message or by the authenticator application, you're going to find your two-step verification, the one that you chose. You're going to find it in this window. So right here, go ahead and select the two-step verification and you'll see the delete icon, all right, or you see the disable icon. So go ahead and click on disable or the delete icon to disable your two-step verification from this window. I do not have any, I've not used or updated my two-step verification, but if you have, you'll find it in this window and you're going to find the disable option. So click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to disable your two-step verification after enabling it. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can disable two-step verification on Best Buy. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.